point is a location anybody that did your vocab know the next part? It has no shape or size. So one thing you gotta bring in class, two things. Okay, you always use a capital letter. Okay, so in this case, if we're naming this guy right here, he's going to be point A. I don't want to calibrate quite well because we're Alright, a line is made up of points. Okay, and a line has no thickness and no width. Okay, so a couple different ways we can name a line. We can name a line by its little script letter if it has one. A lot of times it doesn't. But in this case, we would call it line N. Okay, if it doesn't have one of those, we need to name it by 2 points on the line. So we can name it by line, what are 2 points that are on this line? X and Y. So line X, Y. Or it's easier if we just go X, Y with the line on the top, right? I think that's the way we mostly learn how to do it. Alright, collinear points are points that are on the same line. Okay, if they're non-collinear, then they're points that aren't on the same line. Not so bad, right? So far, so good? I'm sorry, today's super boring, but it gets better, I promise. Alright, a plane is a flat surface made up of points. It extends infinitely in all directions. Okay, and now, this is a big thing, that a plane has 3 points, but there are 3 non-collinear points. Okay, so in this case, it would be plane KJL, or an uppercase script, which right here, this P down here isn't actually a point, it's just the name of the plane. So we could also say plane P. Okay, and then the same thing, we've got coplanar and non-coplanar is the same thing as collinear and non-collinear. Okay, coplanar are points that are on the same plane. Non-coplanar are points that aren't on the same plane. Okay, so if this floor was one plane and the ceiling was one plane, okay, non-coplanar might be Rachel and Haley are coplanar because they're on the same plane, they're on the floor, right? And my projector is non-coplanar because it's up on the ceiling plane. Make sense? All right. 2 lines intersect at a point and 2 planes intersect at a line. Okay, so 2 lines, they intersect to a point, 2 planes, they intersect form a line. Alright, so for collinear I, yep. So 4 points that are on the same line are what? Come on. Come down here, look at your little picture. H, N, K, and I are 4 points on the same line. Okay, what line contains the point M? Yep, we could say this 3 different ways. We could say the line D. We could say the line MO. What else could we say? The line MN? Because it just needs 2 points that are on that line that we need to be able to name that with. Okay, what's a line that contains the points H and K? Come on guys, speak up. Or it's going to be a long year. Yep, line R. How else could I name that? Yeah, we could just say line HK, you bet. What's another name for line Q? JK. We could call it KL. We could call it JL. Okay, so you'll see on your assignment today that there's various correct answers on this. Okay, and where do lines P and R intersect? At N, yep. We've got line P is this guy, line N is this, or line R is this guy, and they intersect right there at N. Okay, what line contains point M? Line J, yep, or line DF, you bet. We want to rename line K, what are we going to name it? BC or EC, either one? How about a plane containing point A? Yes, we could call it plane ADF. We could also call it plane, is there an uppercase script letter on there? Yeah, we could call it plane M as well. Two non-collinear points. 2 points that are on the same line. B and D would work, you could. How about the intersection of plane M and line K? I'll give you a clue. Plane M looks like this. Okay, line K is this pencil. It looks like this. So on that picture, what's my intersection? E, you bet. Okay, 3 points that are on the same plane, 3 coplanar points. V, W, and X, yep. How about a plane that contains point X? Plane R, yep. right, so now we have plane R, and we have plane Z, V, Y. So plane Z, V, Y is going to be this side of my pyramid, right? Where does that side of my pyramid intersect with plane R? Yeah, line VY, you bet. Good job. Everyone see that? All right, now we're counting planes. Let's take a shot at this. 100? Close. Very close. 5. Yep. Okay, because we have the 4 sides of the pyramid, and then that bottom of the pyramid includes plane R. Okay, so I see where you got 6. You kind of thought that the bottom and R were different, but that's that same one. Okay, and then how many planes contain point W? How many? 3, yeah. Because the bottom contains point W, this side does, and that side does. So there are 3 planes that contain point W. Okay, last part, no one likes to work. And your assignment today is not very long. Okay, what is the intersection of L and M? Huh? E, yeah. Okay. Another name for the plane Q. Plane. What? I-F-E. Yep, remember you need 3 points. 3 non-collinear points. So could I have gone F-E-G? No. I had to include I in there because they couldn't all be on the same line. Are points D and E collinear or coplanar? Collinear. Yep, they're not on the same plane. They're on 2 separate planes, but they are on the same line. Okay, and how many times do plane P and plane Q intersect? Yeah, 0. They don't intersect. Okay? Just like the floor and the ceiling, they don't intersect. Okay, so they tried to trick you there. Alright, so the only thing that you have today is page 7. Okay, make sure your name goes on that.